So guys, we're on the Tandem Explorer and we're on our way. There's Susan and Johnny. Got a pretty cool little thing. It's moving pretty quick. Actually, it's pretty noisy, but it's moving along pretty good. Like I was saying earlier, it's a 4-mile one-way trip. I want to remove the mask, guys. We're social distancing here. The rails that we're on are the original rails for building the Hoover Dam. I have to switch over. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm the brake man, so. Either when I yell brake, put your hand up. You want to go so fast. See the car in front of us is slowing down. Yeah, it's actually a pretty cool little ride. What do you think, Steve? Check this out, guys. I think about 5 other cars behind us. Pretty cool. Definitely, if you're in the Boulder area, to give this thing a little try. Like I was saying earlier, these tracks are the original, built in 1927, I think, when they were building the Hoover Dam. These rails are the way they move supplies to the dam. Just so you know, guys, we're not even pedaling right now. Okay guys, here's the only place you guys got to pedal. It's the only section of uphill. It's like a 2% grade. Yeah, it's the only place you got to pedal. Alright guys, the end is in sight. They're only allowed to go so far on the trail, on the tracks, before you get into Henderson. And once you get into Henderson, you're not allowed to go any farther. Now we come up to the stop here, and now we wait for our train. And this is where the train picks us up and takes us back. Doing pretty good.
And break for me. Put that on just a second. Nice looking Garmin there, I see.
Thanks, sir. In case we got lost.
That's right. It's on rails. Only one way to go. All right.
Wow, you don't know us.
All right, you can come on out this way.
So guys, that was Rail Explorers. We're on a train ride back. It was 4 miles, pretty easy. And, we're on our way back now. I know it's a little noisy, but very cool. Something to check out if you're ever in the Vegas, Boulder area.